This tutorial includes a brief description of the features under the Admin menu. The Admin menu provides access to system setup and maintenance features. Categories will take you to a list for managing category values. Certain pull-down or drop-down menu values are stored as a category. Dashboard Message opens a submenu for managing 6 different types of dashboard messages. Each type displays on a different dashboard widget on the home page. Home Message is used for the Welcome Message widget. Company Message is for the Company Message widget. Local Message is for the Local Office Message widget. Company Links display on the Industry Links, News, and Research widget. Company Tools are for the Resources and Productivity Tools widget. And New Deals are for the Notable Deals and Transactions widget. Inactive Records will open a submenu for managing 5 different types of inactive records. From these lists, you can find and reactivate Contact, Contacts and Companies, Projects, which are deals, including closed deals, needs, general projects, internal availabilities or comps, and so on. Property, which are property inventory records. Avail/comps, which includes availabilities and comps, whether internal or external, and also includes withdrawn and unavailable listings. And signs includes the sign records. Logins will take you to a list with filter options for finding and managing logins. Password reset requests will open a list with filter options for finding and troubleshooting all password reset requests. Pull-downs will take you to a list with filter options for finding and managing the values in most of the pull-downs or drop-down menus found on forms for searching and data entry. User teams will load a list with filter options for finding and managing user teams. User teams allow one or more users to automatically have a specific level of access to deals for a given location, business line, division, or deal contact. You can also create user teams to represent a group of contacts who wish to share records with each other that they do not want to make visible to everyone else in the system, such as notes. Contact groups will take you to a list with filter options for finding and managing all contact groups in the system. If you have any questions about any part of this tutorial series, you can contact our support team for more information.